Hello guys, what's up? And in this video I'm going to show you how you can earn money by just uploading your files into this website. How you can upload some files like memes and all 20-second videos, you can just post it and just you can earn a good amount of money guys. Just watch this video till the end and I'll show you how you can earn money, and I'll show you live proof how much people are earning, and it's completely transparent guys. You just need to check out on this proof of payments, and you can see guys, people are earning good amount by just doing nothing. They just upload it and just passive income is coming into their PayPal account. You can see guys, PayPal account or private request means on their bank account. Okay, you can see guys, it's a good way of earning a good amount of money. You do not need to do anything guys, you just need to upload it. Okay, so just hit the like button and subscribe to my channel so that I can give you the best content how to earn money online every single day. Okay, so guys, I just want to tell you this, just click on this join us. Okay, and I just need to fill up these details, so quickly I just do it. Mr. and your name, okay, your email ID, okay, and confirm your email ID, and your username, whatever it is. Okay, and just click on this agree to our terms, I'm not a robot, and just click on this register. Oh, I just forgot to put this, it should be alphanumeric. Okay guys, just 1 2 3. okay, and just click on this robot and click on this register. Okay guys, I just have a confirmation from this website. Okay, so you are having a email address, okay, and your password in this okay, so this is your username, and with this website you will get a password as well. Okay, you just need to enter it, and the password they will provide you is your password. Okay, do not share this password with anyone. Okay, I just click on this I'm not a robot and just click on this login button. Okay guys, and login is successful. Okay, so wait for some time and you can see that my profile is now ready. Okay, I do not need to do anything, my profile is just ready. And how do I earn? Just click on this upload button and you can do upload. So what do we upload? Okay guys, I just gave you another website where you can download the memes videos. You can see guys, these are the funny videos. Okay, you can have a look on these videos, and people are actually downloading it, and you are getting paid for each download, $10 for each download. Okay, you can download it. Okay, you can post memes, you can have a lot of what do we say, that lots of memes, videos and GIFs that you can upload on this. You can see that it's very famous guys. You can see, you can have a look on these Instagrams. Okay, you can even post it on Instagrams as well. Okay, if you want greater followers, if you are planning to make a meme page on the Facebook or your Instagrams, so these are the certain popular ones. Okay, I just download one. Okay, so how to download it guys, just you see that share VLP, just click on this thing and you can see guys, there is an option of cloud download. Okay, just click on this thing and you can see that guys, my download is ready. Okay, and you just come up in this and just search it YD and just click on this open button, and you can see guys, just upload it and it will automatically upload this file. and just you can see guys, just click on this close, and you can see guys, now my download is 0, and day by day you can see guys, you can able to get a good amount. Okay, and you can store up to 2 TBs of storage. So just go on and download each and every video. Okay, I'll show you another memes that you can download. Okay guys, you can even download these memes as well guys. Okay, so this is a website. All of these websites links I just put it on my description box, you can check it out. Okay, and just please guys subscribe to this channel and hit the like button. Okay, so what you need to do guys, you just come up in these memes, and these are absolutely free. You can click on the top week, top day, top month, and top ever. Okay, memes, and just click on this, right click, and just click on the save image as. Okay, and just click on this desktop and just save it, and you can see guys, in the PNG format it is saved. And I just click on this upload button. Okay, just click here to upload more files. Okay, and I just click on this, and on the desktop it is, so here it is, you can see guys, and just upload in queue, you can see, and just click close. Okay, you can see guys, I have just uploaded it, and you can do the rest. You do not need to do anything guys, just you need to put those images, those GIFs on this website. That's it. You do not need to have any kind of skill. It's just a passive way of income. You do not have to spend millions out of it. Just go on and just try to earn right now guys. I just want you to earn from now on. Okay, so that you can make millions out of it. Okay, so this is it for this video guys. Let's see you in the next guys. Thank you so much for watching this video.